You can see here we have a pre-existing site with a building on it, and the elevation tags are a little bit off, and then if you check out true north over here, true north isn't quite straight up and down. So we're going to start by solving that. First thing we're going to do is fix the elevation tags. I have a CAD file imported here with some of the exact property details kind of hidden for this video, but the gist of the property lines and that kind of stuff is still here. So we're going to select everything. As you're going to see right now, there's a few things. First off is the project window is there. We don't want that. That's just what you see. It's a crop window, so what you see and everything like that. So we're gonna minimize that. I'm gonna go up in here into filter. There's some stuff that gets pinned to elements such as stairs. So stair runs, supports. The railings in this case are pinned, so I'm going to remove those just to solve any issues before we actually rotate. I think that's all of them. I'm going to unselect these right here because they'll all be under curtain walls. So we're going to start by rotating this to true north. As you can see now, the elevation tags are correct. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to rotate the building so it is at the right angle. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hide the elevation tags. Go up to hide view, hide by category. So we're not going to move those now. So now we're going to rotate this back the 44.07 7 degrees. The reason why I didn't rotate is I have some pinned elements such as the project cut cut window there, so I'm just actually going to minimize that, and that should solve that problem. And I'm good to do the same thing as before. Remove curtain panels, stair runs and supports, railings. Now I'm going to rotate this back 44.07. So now everything is in the correct orientation, and if you go down to the elevations, everything looks straight on in the elevations. So now what we're going to do, the last and final step, is we're going to fix true north. And if I go into the site, you go down here and select true north. I'm going to reveal hidden elements because I have the project Basepoint hidden. And we're going to type in negative 44.07. And that makes it a true north. And the last thing we're going to do that I just realized is the project Basepoint is not directly under the middle of the building, so we're just going to select all this. Again, do the same thing as uncheck the pinned elements. And I'm going to reveal hidden elements. That didn't work. I'm going to select again. Filter, analytical nodes, railings, project Basepoint, stair runs, and then surveying point. I'm just going to move the middle of the garage to this project Basepoint. There we go. And that's it.